In this ProClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to install the cooling element DX and cold water. Please observe the safety information in the corresponding installation and operating instructions. Before starting installation work, check the delivery for completeness. Start by removing the temperature sensor in the AIR1 unit supply air. This will be used later in the cooling element. Before installing the cooling element, the sealing tape must be applied to its outer edge. Ensure careful execution to avoid leaks. Remove the cover caps, which will later be covered by the element installation. Disconnect the signal cable from the cooling element holder for easier handling. The next step is to push the cooling element onto the unit and connect the signal cables. If an external post heater is used, this will be installed between the unit and the cooling element. Attach the temperature sensor to the cooling element air outlet. Fix the sensor cable to the provided holder using the cable tie. Adjust the height of the element feet to match the unit. Mount the module connection parts to the unit and to the cooling element and screw them together. Then screw the frames of the element and unit together. Lastly, attach the mounting bracket on the top side of the cooling element. Cooling may cause condensation. Therefore, connect the condensate drain to the cooling element. When using a DX cooling element, the DX element control unit must be connected to the AIR1 unit. The corresponding wiring diagram can be found in the installation and operating instructions. Ensure that the control unit is installed in a protected location. The control unit must not be exposed to direct sunlight. Regarding the DX element, the cooling pipes must be connected to the flow and return lines in the cold water cooling element. Please check if a hydraulic unit is required on site. The cooling element is activated in the commissioning assistant. To do this, click on one of these two preview videos. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and HeliosAIR1.com.